Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You've got the headset charged and the Bose Connect app on your phone. Now start pairing. First, slide the power/Bluetooth switch into the Bluetooth position until you hear a voice prompt and the LED blinks. Once done, open Bluetooth on your device and look for Bose QC35 Roman 2. Tap to connect. You'll hear confirmation. Make sure Bluetooth permission is allowed in your phone settings. The app will detect the headphones for firmware and extra controls, so keep it open after pairing. Once connected, practice basic controls so you can use the headset confidently. Use the right earcup buttons for play/pause and volume. Press and hold to skip tracks. The Bose Connect app shows firmware and lets you manage two-device multi-point pairing, connect a phone and laptop simultaneously. Make sure you test microphone and call controls by answering a call. The headset will route audio automatically. If you need voice assistant, press and hold the action button. This invokes Google Assistant or Alexa if configured. To finish, update firmware in the app, test noise cancellation, and make minor fit adjustments for seal and comfort. Put the headphones in their case when not in use and disable Bluetooth on devices you aren't using to conserve battery. If something goes wrong, like no audio or failed pairing, forget the QC35 Roman 2 on your device, power the headset off, then press and hold the power switch for about 10 seconds to reset. After resetting, repair. That resolves most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.